Hi friends, today we are going to see some small tricks to save some money when you are transferring money from one country to another country using the Wise application. Open the Wise application first. For example, if we send 1000 euros to someone, when we use the fast transfer, it will be charged 11.36 euros. That means you need to use your debit or credit card for transferring the money. But if you use the low cost transfer, it's quite less, like almost 4 euros for one transfer if you transfer 1000 euros. In this case, I will transfer 350 euros. Continue. I already set up my account number, so I just need to click it. I'll be sending 350 euros and the total fees will be 2.86 euros. Here we can see if we use the debit or credit card, we must pay 4.28 euros. But here I will be transferring from my bank account, so I will be paying 2.86 instead of 4.28. If you transfer higher amount, more money will be saved. We need to use their bank account details to transfer the money. Just copy this account number and don't forget to mention the reference number. This is very important so that they can identify that you are the person who is sending the money and for which transaction it will be used for. So I have entered the details for the transaction. As I am already inside the Europe, I don't need to enter the shift code. Just the bank details is enough for this transaction. And we must include the reference number. And the main thing is check if the instant payment is activated or deactivated. It should be activated. That means the payer, they will receive the money once you click send. We can see the time. It's 21:06 currently. And I click sign. Okay, it's done. I have made my bank transfer. Okay, let's refresh the transaction. They have already received the money through the bank transaction. You can see here. It's 21:07 and they received it in few seconds already. The transferwise, they already received the money, but due to its weekend, In the receiving country, it's taking a bit longer, but they have already received our money instantly. This will save you a lot of money if you are in a hurry and you want to transfer it instantly. This method will be helpful. Please try it and let me know in the comment. And don't forget to activate the instant payment before transferring the money. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.